This is Coach Laudiaann, and I am here delivering strategies and tips on how to do stuff online. If you like my videos, go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell. Hi everybody, this is Coach Laudiaann, and I'm with my dog. We are at the park, and she is just looking around. Now she's smelling the tree. Had to get some exercise, guys. And I kind of like ran half of a block with some clogs on. But I'm okay. I need to get some exercise. The doctor told me I need to start exercising. I have been really lazy. And I can't be lazy because I used to. Actually, guys, I used to exercise every day. I used to run at the beach every morning before I went to work. And I felt really, really young. I mean, I felt like I was 20 years old 12 years ago. Yesterday I went to the doctor's, and my blood sugar is just a little bit high, so I have to get it under control, and it's what I've been eating. So I'm actually been focusing back on my routine, drinking lots of water, and I guess I'm taking more walks, so I'm walking my dog more. This is like a 20-minute walk from my house to the park. And I'm going to go in the shade so I can be able to see. Actually, my battery is about to die too. I just got off a 12-hour shift this morning, and I work in the subacute. So I slept a couple hours when I got home, but now it's noontime. I had to get up. How to eat a good meal, take my meds, and right now I'm sitting down on the grass. It's really nice out. I live in California, Southern California, in the city of Orange County. Well, I'm in Orange County, but in the city of Stanton is where I live. Yeah. So, look, my dog is just looking. But anyway, guys, I'm going to keep this short because my battery is about to die. And this video is going to be little short clips of me. So I will see you in the next clip. Hi, everybody. It's Coach Laudiaann again. And I'm still sitting here in the park. It's a beautiful day. Look, my dog is just having fun. It's actually noon. And my husband had to go and do some errands, and he told me he's going to give me a surprise to eat, something to eat. So, and but anyway, guys, I'm having a great day. I'm actually on Fiverr today. I'm looking up new clients that I can use to help me improve my business online, and everything has been doing great. I've been actually redoing my videos, preparing it for monetization, and every video is going to have an introductory about my channel, and YouTube really likes that. I was watching one of the YouTube videos from someone that was denied monetization, and he didn't get accepted till like the third try. And what he was talking about on that video is that YouTube likes to see you put a lot of effort in creating your YouTube channel. So if you have a really nice introduction, he was explaining about the about section, to write a paragraph about what the channel is about, and have some clean thumbnails, check your titles, and make sure it's all original work. No reuse content from anyone. If you're going to use free stock content, then what you do is do a commentary video, all right, voice over that commentary video, and that will be okay. All right. But I have been really having fun with this. Okay, I look at it as fun because I love making videos. I'm gonna upload more videos today, so guys, look forward to upcoming videos that are going to be valuable content, because I'm going to talk about some topics for you guys to help you build and grow your business. All right, I'll see you in the next clip.